And many times I go the wrong way too because I don't have all the information. So what I most try to do is let's understand the problem together to see if I can give you some insight. If I know the person um, probably doesn't have a lot of experience here, I will walk through that first idea. Here, let me show you what I would do. Here's what I would do. If I think the person does know, hey, we define the problem together, and then why don't you other person try to execute and come back to me if there are some issues.
So yeah, Ken Blanchard, who probably most people would recognize for having written the books on the 1 minute manager, he also has this concept about situational leadership. And it's really about the task proficiency of the individual. Not so much how long they've been on the job, because I think we make the mistake if someone's worked at a place for 20 years, they know how to solve everything. But if you put in a new ERP system or a new approach or technique, you almost have to go back to being more directive. And then as the person becomes more proficient and confident, you kind of back off and you let them make the decisions. And that's kind of what you were talking about there.